Ice cream. Do you like ice cream?
Yes, it looks like strawberry.
Okay, no. Strike one.
Oh no.
Yeah.
Funfetti?
Funfetti is kind of close.
Birthday cake?
No, I'll give you a hint. I'll give you a hint because you guessed too eager. I'll give you the word cracker.
Oh, that just threw me off.
Just think. These colors and cracker. And they might be frosted.
I don't think I know it. I really don't know it.
It might rhyme with Xanimal lacquer.
Oh my god! Wait, strawberry iced animal crackers?
Kind of
Frosted animal crackers?
Frosted animal crackers.
Like something animal cookies. Oh my god! It looks like a strawberry donut.
Yeah, everyone has their own opinion. I mean, artwork's worth of fucking pictures.